Good morning from beautiful Quebec City. Today I'm taking you on a peaceful morning walk through the charming streets near Old Quebec's hotels. Let's explore the cobblestone paths, cozy cafes, and the unique European-inspired vibe as the city slowly wakes up. As we start the walk, you can see how quiet and calm the streets are in the morning. Many of the best hotels in Quebec City are just steps away from Old Quebec, making it so easy to explore right after breakfast.
Look at these beautiful stone buildings, the historic architecture, and of course, the iconic cobblestone streets that make this part of Canada feel like you're in Europe.
Here we are near some of the top hotels in Quebec City. Staying in this area means you're right in the heart of Old Quebec, close to restaurants, shops, and all the main attractions. You can find luxury stays, boutique hotels, and charming inns, all within walking distance of landmarks like Chateau Frontenac and Dufferin Terrace. Join me for a peaceful morning walk in Quebec City, exploring the beautiful streets and hotels near Old Quebec. From historic landmarks and cobblestone paths to cozy cafes and charming European-inspired views, this relaxing walking tour captures the best of Quebec City in the morning light. Whether you're planning a trip, searching for the best hotels near Old Quebec, or just want a calm, virtual walk through Canada's most enchanting city, this video is for you. Highlights: hotels near Old Quebec City, morning atmosphere in Quebec City, cobblestone streets and historic charm, peaceful walking tour. Start the day with a peaceful morning walk through Quebec City's charming streets near the top hotels. From historic architecture to cozy cafes, cobblestone paths, and stunning views, experience the city waking up in its unique European-inspired atmosphere. Perfect for travelers looking for hotel stays, nearby attractions, and the best spots to explore in the morning. Exploring the heart of Old Quebec City, a UNESCO World Heritage treasure, filled with cobblestone streets, historic landmarks, French-inspired charm, and timeless beauty. Join me as I capture the best walking tours, hidden gems, cultural experiences, and local flavors that make Quebec City one of the most enchanting destinations in North America. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel and walking tour videos.